It's finally here, my spring Curateur box. So if you want to see what kind of luxuries are inside, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit are with me right now, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Curateur is a seasonal subscription box. It is a kind of a luxury subscription box. So you're getting luxury high-end items. This is formerly the Rachel Zoe box of style. So this is the Rachel Zoe box. Typically you'll get a handbag or a clothing article, a skincare or makeup article, a piece of jewelry. I think there's about 4 or 5 things in each box. And it's always very, very high-end items that I could never afford on my own. I was going to cancel only because, like, I'm trying to save some money. But then they said they're raising their prices. And so if I wanted to get legacy pricing for another year, I could sign on now and do that. So I did go ahead and do that. I don't know if after that I will. So I'll definitely have it this year and next, because I had just renewed my subscription for the winter box. So I'll have this up until probably next spring. No, the spring after, because I've got this year and next. So anyway, it's a lovely box. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm just trying to save some money. It's going up, and it's going to end up being a little bit over $100 a box. So I got it for $350 for the year plus a $50 credit in their shop, which that's not going to go far. There's a little card in here that goes over the items. It doesn't have pricing, so I will try to look that up for you all. And there is your sneak peek. Number 1 is by Hue and Grace. This is a face serum. This is their Restoring Face Serum. It says that it's light and brightening, and there's how that looks. Number 2 is by Natural Skin, and this is an eye mask. This is silk. So usually we get silked with an ED, like they're really satin, but this is a silk eye mask, it says. And it's got like a nice little puff to it. And what I like is it doesn't have the Velcro strip in the back, because if you sleep on your back at all, that tends to, for me at least, really rub into my hair, and I don't have that much hair, so I gotta save every little piece. Item number 3 was the choice item, and again, it was just tone, so it was silver tone or gold tone. This is by Rendor. These are the Victoria earrings. It says you could have gotten it in yellow gold or white gold, so I did choose the yellow gold option, and those are real pretty. They're probably like super expensive. Next, by Natasha Moore, is the More Power mascara. So you could have chose either the mascara or the eyeliner pencil. Because I don't really care for the pencils so much, I went with the mascara. There we go. And this doubles as a mirror. And then last, by Walter Baker, is this Carly bag. All right, so it's got the bottom there, stripe. It's got this little detail on here. It's a nice size too. Inside there is a zipper pocket right here. All right, and then on this side there are like little storage pouches to put maybe eyeglasses or sunglasses or whatever it is that you want to put, like right in there. Yeah, it's a great size, actually. I could use this for work. Hey, that is my Curateur box. I think it's a great curation. And again, there's nothing wrong with this box, just the expense seems a little high, but $300 for a year. I thought that was a pretty good deal, so I did jump on it. I definitely will not be getting it when it goes up to $450, only because price-wise it's just a lot for my pocket. Okay, well, tell me your thoughts. What did you like? What was your favorite item in here? And would you have preferred the earrings in the white gold? I looked at them and I was like, I feel like a regular gold for this particular style. I'll always look at it and decide like what that style would look to me better in, what tone. But a lot of people don't like the yellow gold, so I don't know, let me know your thoughts. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.